Today we will discuss about second unit, third lesson, that is VVS Lakshman, that is Vangipurapu Venkata Sai Lakshman. That is his full name is Vangipurapu Venkata Sai Lakshman. He is a very special cricketer and the famous cricketer of our Indian team. So here he stayed 16 years in the test cricket team. That is, he used to play the test matches, and he left, or he is in that field for 16 years. Now for the 37 years he is taking his retirement. So before taking his retirement, all rushed in that stadium, and one sportsman came to interview him about what is meant by interview. You all know that what is hobbies, family, that is disappointments, and all are asked in that interview. So what the sportsman asked and what this Lakshman had given the answers, we will see in this lesson. So this is a type of interview, not, it is an interview, and this interview is given to us like a lesson. This is somewhat the big lesson. Don't feel bored, but it is very interesting. So listen. VVS Lakshman, so here the first so here VVS Lakshman is saying that talent is very important, and also patience is also very important, and this all make me a good player. What he learned is patience and friendliness, and all make him a good player. And a player, in the true height, we said that a player should think about, never think about failure, and he should treat both failure and success in the same way. If he thought the failure is happen and he feel bad, means there is no chances of growing up. So what the sportsman asked and what the Lakshman had given the answers, we will see in this interview. So when you look back, how was the journey with cricket? So here the sportsman asked, when you look back, how was the journey? So the Lakshman said that I have stayed 16 years in the Indian cricket team, and he is saying that I am thinking very blessed that I have working for the Indian cricket team, and I have given a very that is very big not very that is matches, very grateful test matches, and all I have given that all matches, and it is very that is getting a chance in the Indian cricket team is only a very big achievement, and all I played and what I scored and what I earned is all, when I look back I see this all. So Lakshman said, and he said, telling that what I learned is that is, we should treat the success and failure in the same way. Don't, if we fail one time, we should think that next time we will do the better. This is all about this question. And who was the biggest influence? So here he's asking that, sportsman asking that who was the biggest influence. Then he undoubtedly answered that my mother and my father is the biggest influence, because my mother and father, who his father name is that is Shanti Kumar something, and his mother name is Satyabhama. So they both are doctors, but they never they never forced the Lakshman to become a doctor only. They guided their son that if he want to become a sportsman, they guided towards the sports. And here one of his uncle, who is Mohan Lal something, his name, he guided, that is he has a crucial role that now Lakshman is now a sportsman. So to become a sportsman, they all helped. This is said by Lakshman. What did the sports teach you? So the sportsman asking what the sports teach you. So here the Lakshman said that I have learned many things. I have learned the patience, and I have learned what is good and what is bad, and I have learned the character and all. And I have mainly learned that everyone, that is everything is important in our life, and success and failures are a part of a life. And the next question is, what was the most difficult phase in your career? So what is the most difficult phase? Then the Lakshman said that that is, here my mother and the father is doctors, but they had a thought that they should be that is, they had a thought that I should also become a doctor, but I like the sports, so choosing the doctor and sportsman, so becoming a sportsman or becoming a doctor. So I have confused very much, and I have think a lot, but my father and mother supported me, and they support me very well. So now I am a big sportsman, so by their help only I am doing this all. This reply by the Lakshman. And do you believe that it is difficult for the modern day young talent to make it as big? So here, what the sportsman asking that if we have a talent, it is very difficult to show to others. Then the Lakshman is saying that today there is a media, news channels and all. So if we have any talent, the media will spread very fastly. So our talent reach to the whole country or whole state. So if talent is important, it will, if we show our talent, the media will spread all our talent to all the people, to reach all the people. From where did you get strength? Then what is the strength of you? The sportsman asked. Then the Lakshman again replied that my family is my strength and my well wishers. That is, if I failed or if I win, they treat me like same. That is, if I failed also they encouraged me. If I lost that is, if I lost also they encouraged. If I won also they encouraged, and my parents also encouraged me. So they are my very, that is, they are my strength, and my family is mainly my strength. What were your biggest movement? So the sportsman asked, what are the biggest one? So the Lakshman said that there are many memorable moments and biggest moments, but some will outstand, that is, some are very memorizable. So here Lakshman said that I have played for Indian Association team, and I have played for 16 and 19 test matches and 18. So what was his memorable moment is, against the Austrians, Kolkata, he that is scored 281 points. So this is the memorable moment for the Lakshman. 281 again in 2001 it has become. So when you look back, what were the reasons of India becoming the number one? So our India is that is number one team. So when you look back, what are the steps and what are the that is, who are responsible for become? So here the Lakshman is saying that Saurabh, that is Saurav Ganguly, is a captain in 2001. So he is a good captain, and also that is Sachin, MS Dhoni. These three, and now it is the Virat Kohli, of course. So these all the captains are very much that is talented, and what make the Indian team number one is the that is the combination of Saurav Ganguly and the coach. The coach name is John Wright. So that is the combination of those people, that is Saurav Ganguly and the John Wright. That is, if the coach and the captain becomes united, the team will definitely win. So this is said by the VVS Lakshman. So how different was Saurabh? That is, how different was Saurav Ganguly? Then he said that the combination of coach and Saurabh. This all told. what was being your funniest incident? So what is the funniest incident? Sportsman asked. Then the Lakshman said that when that is ODL oval ground, when Saurav Ganguly and Lakshman was running, that is taking a over run, that is taking a, what is that called, run, single run. Then they both collided, that is they both that is dashed each other. So this is the funniest moment for the VVS Lakshman. So what was the disappointing? So there is nothing asked by that sportsman. Then the VVS Lakshman said that there is nothing disappointing, but whenever he misses the catch, then he feels disappointed that when that is the bowler had put much effort, then he missed the catch and the ball is fall on the ground. He feel very disappointed, said by VVS Lakshman. And then the sportsman asked the next question, that is, what is your hobbies? Then the VVS Lakshman says that playing with my kids, helping in sports, and playing with my kids, and watching TV with my kids, and spending time with my wife. This is all is my hobbies, and I like to spend more time with the family only, he said. By this we are came to know that VVS Lakshman is a family person. So what is about his family? So that is, he had a good family with 2 children. So inspiration. So what here the sportsman asked, which cricketer do you admire? That is, who are the inspiration for you? Then the VVS Lakshman answered that Azhar. I don't know about this Azhar. These and Sachin and Kapil. These 3 are the cricketers who inspired me a lot, and I take these people as an inspiration. So cuisine. What is meant by cuisine is favorite dish. So what is your favorite cuisine, asked by the sportsman interviewer. Then the VVS Lakshman answered that I like mostly vegetarian. I like to taste all the dishes. Thai cuisine is my favorite. That is, Thai cuisine is that is Thai. What is meant by Thai? You don't know. You know, Thai is a place. The people who are cooking food in the Thai, that dishes are very. The dishes are very, that is liked, that favorite by VVS Lakshman. Music and singers. So what is your favorite music channel, and who are the favorite singers? Then the Lakshman answered that our India or our Telangana, that is our country, has many different talented singers, music directors. In that, I like personally SP Balasubramaniam, and I have very good relationship with SP Balasubramaniam. And the Krishna Kumar is also a favorite music director of VVS Lakshman. And what are the TV programs will you see? Then that sportsman asked. Then a sportsperson asked, and the that is the interviewer. Then the Lakshman says that I like mostly spending time with my family. I watch Wimbledon. Wimbledon is a program that we don't know. That is, I think it is an English program. So this Lakshman mostly watch this program. Next question is, who is your childhood hero? Then he said that my childhood and my present and my future hero is my dad. Next question, what is that you missed by being a cricket celebrity? So here the Lakshman says that I never think that I am a big cricketer. I always think that I am a family person, and my wife is very nice, and she has all qualities that I want, and I have 2 kids, and I am blessed to have that 2 kids. Post retirement plans. So again, the last question asked by sports person is, do you have any post retirement plans? That is, he is going to retire now. So do you have any plans? Then the VVS Lakshman responded and answered that I have a plan that I should build a school and an academy and give a good sports to all the children. This is my plan, and I am confident that I will reach that goal. So these all are the questions asked by that interview person, and these answers are given by VVS Lakshman. Do you feel interesting? So VVS Lakshman is a very good player, and that is, he never played for the World Cup, but he is always playing in the test matches only. So this is all about this interview. Don't call it as lesson, we call it as interview. So this is a very interesting lesson. And what player do you like? That is, who are the player do you like, and what are their habits, achievements? Search in Google, it will be very interesting. Thank you. Have a nice day.